What's up, guys? So this video is going to be what does it look like as a day trader trading for 1 year. So I'm just tell y'all the full journey, give y'all the whole rundown, because I haven't made a full video like this before, and I haven't went in depth of my full journey as far as being in this industry for a whole year. It's been a year and 3 months going on now. So I'm gonna just start from the beginning, man. The first couple of months of trading, it was all new, it was all fun, you know, S's and giggles. We still learning. We didn't know what candlesticks was. We trying to learn trend lines, we trying to learn resistances and all that other stuff, just to find out that it's not really. But honestly, now that I done got over into the journey, trend lines and resistances and everything, people was brainwashing people to think, telling them that stuff don't work. It worked. Every plan and strategy works, long as you stick to your plan and you stay disciplined and you work on your risk management. But I digress from now. When I first started my 3 months in, I had me a plan. And what's crazy, because I got a payout 3 months in of me trading. And I guess a lot of people might come out and say like, yeah, that's the that's the glory phase. That's the phase where reality come to you, it kick into you. You think you can keep on doing this, which you can, if you keep on following that same plan and that strategy. But I didn't have a clear plan and a strategy when I got my first payout. But I can say this. I didn't have a clear strategy, but I did write down exactly what I wanted to do in the markets. I told myself that I wanted to come to the markets and make $500 a day. As soon as I saw $500, I was closing out no matter what. As soon as I saw $500, I'm pushing that button, I'm gone. And I stayed disciplined to that. I really did. And that got me to pass a funded account. And they got me to pass, and they got me to even the funded page, the funded stage. I had got that account up to like $3,000 after the payout, but after I took my $700 payout, I ended up blowing it after that. Because I got naive, I stopped sticking to the plan, stuff just fell from there, man. I was like, dang, what's going on? I just got a payout. But little did I know, I didn't have a clear strategy, man. I didn't have a clear model. That's when I first started trading NASDAQ and stuff. So my first ever payout was from NASDAQ. So that was my profitable time getting the payout, man. And I was noticing on NASDAQ, I found out about liquidity sweeps and being liquidity the hard way. I found out myself, and I found out NAS before somebody even taught me about liquidity. I noticed those patterns on NASDAQ before anybody can teach me. And what's crazy, I was telling myself like, okay, NASDAQ like to come down here and take out these buyers or sellers and then go back up the next way. Soon as they do that, I found out about those patterns. Didn't even know there was a strategy. But just by me trading NASDAQ, the only pattern I ever traded, I saw those patterns with NASDAQ. Like, okay, why do we come down here and take out this and then go right back up the next way? So I kind of made a strategy from that. And I kept on saying like, okay, every time they come take out the bottom, I'm gonna push buy and I'm gonna wait for it to go in. And it was working for me. What's crazy about it? I wasn't looking for no fair value gap. I didn't know what a fair value gap was. I didn't know what no liquidity sweep was, no liquidity run, breaker structures, none of that stuff. That's how new to trading I was. But it was crazy because I was untainted. I say untainted because I haven't learned the strategy, and I haven't learned somebody else's way to look at the charts and price action. Once you learn the strategy, it's hard to look at the charts a whole different way. Because you learn this how you see price action, this how you trade. So it's hard to go back from that because you already got this ingrained in your mind. But I didn't have nobody's strategy and nobody's ways of trading ingrained in my mind. But I was able to figure out that NASDAQ do that by myself. Like, no cap, real spill. I'm for real. I'm being serious, man. And I created like a strategy. I said, okay, I see NASDAQ do this every day. So I can just wait on this. Because I was on the 5-minute chart. I marked out the previous 5-minute highs in the previous 5-minute lows. So well, I said whatever high get take out, I know NASDAQ come the next way to come stop out the other people. So if the previous high, 5-minute high gets stopped out, I'm pushing sell immediately. And if the previous sales get stopped out, I'm pushing buy immediately. And that stuff worked. It worked. And as soon as I saw $500 rejection from NASDAQ, I'm out. I ain't want to see nothing else. But going forth from that, once I lost, I finally realized, because when I was doing it, ain't wasn't nobody telling me to journal, write down, how did I make that money? I didn't do none of that. I didn't journal, I didn't write down, and I wasn't worried about how I made that money. I just knew I saw $500, I'm running up the street with it. I ain't coming back. So if I would have did that in journal, I would have got more insight on why I was winning those trades. But going on forward from that, now I'm going through a little like, okay, I really need to sit down and learn the strategy and actually know how the market moves. At least get some more insight, because clearly I don't know as much as I thought I did. So this 6 months in the journey, man, I'm learning the strategy, supply and demand. I'm learning, but I just kept on taking losses with supply and demand, which is crazy. This is what's crazy to me, because I keep on taking losses with supply and demand now. And this was like around the same time, around the same quarter. Like, okay, like I'm like, man, bro, I'm trading the supply and demand, but I just keep on losing. Like, how this stuff working? And now that I think about it now, bro, it gotta be this quarter, because I was learning supply and demand in this quarter. Literally, I was learning supply and demand in this quarter. And so now supply and demand been rough for me the last month or two. It's like I've been getting faked out at back to back to back to back. Like, I don't know what's been going on. And I remember clearly, like, okay, when I first started learning supply and demand, that's what would happen to me. I was getting faked out back to back to back to back to the point I almost ditched the strategy. Like, bro, this stuff not working. Like, I don't care what nobody's saying, this stuff not working. Every time I get in the setup, I follow everything step by step by step, and I still lose the trade. And it gotta be this quarter, bro. It's gotta be this quarter for me, man. I don't know if you've been trading supply and demand with me, man, but supply and demand has been putting belt to ass to me, man. So cause now I'm getting to the point, like, bro, I follow my plan step by step, but still in my mind, I'm still questioning my plan, asking myself, was it discipline or not? Even when I got my paper right here, okay, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But after I take that fake out, I'm keep on losing multiple trades, following my plan, doing the same thing over and over. It's starting to feel like, dang, it's starting to feel like my plan, it's starting to feel like I ain't staying disciplined to my plan, because I'm losing so much. I'm losing so many disciplined trades. It's starting to feel like I'm not being disciplined. It's like I'm questioning myself, like, am I being disciplined or not? So I'm stuck between, is it me? Is it a strategy? Because I know it's just a test, bro. It gotta be a test and a lesson, because I don't want to be the ones to strategy hop. I don't want to start something. I don't want to give up on it, because I know supply and demand works. I do. I done saw it work. I done saw it work hundreds of times. I done saw the patterns. I know it worked. But I really don't think this been a quarter for supply and demand, man. Because now that I'm talking about this video, like, I just got this epiphany now. Like, supply and demand was tearing me loose around these same months when I was learning, actually sitting down and learning the strategy, trying to trade these patterns that I'm seeing, doing everything they've been telling me to do. Like, I just don't know what's been going on, man. But prior to that, I done passed front of the accounts doing it, following my plan, sticking to the strategy, doing everything I need to do. I done did that. I really have. I'm not gonna lie. So I keep on telling myself, bro, I know it's not the strategy. I know it worked. I know it works. I mean, they say every strategy got its season, man. Everything got its season. But so I'm just trying to discern, man, is this not the season for it? I don't know what's going on, because this whole month, the whole past 2 months, I've been break even. But now, it's not even break even no more because I done lost the fun of the accounts. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I done took so many losses. There were discipline losses too. I done took the losses. I mean, my trading account couldn't handle it no more. It just couldn't handle it no more. I had them accounts for almost 2 months. Like I held strong, man. I held the line, man. Of course, it was a couple undisciplined days on the line, but I feel like I did pretty good, man. I'm seeing progression, bro. I still see progression, and that's a year in to where I'm in now, man. So like, I'm just trying to figure out, bro. Like, I'm questioning myself, cause this how I see. Like, when your strategy, this the real test, bro. When you following your plan and you staying disciplined and you still losing consistently, because they say it's really hard to lose consistently, bro. Like, I'm talking about 6 days in a row, 7 days in a row. Like, you gonna get no dub out of that. I mean, I did have a couple trades where they did go in my favor, but at the end of the day, like, bro, I didn't take profit because I need to make some of these losses back, bro. I gotta recoup, man. I gotta get my risk to reward because, like, if I'm risking $400 a trade, man, obviously I need to at least make $800, man. At least minimum $800. So I've been asking myself, is that greed? Or is that really just, I gotta do what I gotta do and just stick to it and just get my risk and reward, man? Because, excuse me, guys, you need that risk and reward to be profitable, and I see that now. Like, if somebody telling you, bro, risk and reward don't matter, man, it's cap, bro. It's cap. Risk and reward absolutely matters, bro. Because whatever win rate your strategy is, because just say it like this. Say if you got a real low win rate, if you make $500 on the trade, but then the next 5 trades you lose $500, bruh, one of them trades got to be a 1 to 5, man. Because if you win in 1 out of 5 trades, bro, you gonna have to make them losses back, or you never gonna be profitable. It's just gonna be a endless cycle, just losing. So, and I do remember, bro, like, I was cutting a lot of my winning trades short, right? Very short, like cutting them in 1 or 1.5s. When the winners win, they run into like 1 or 2s, 1 or 4s, 1 or 5s, some days 1 or 7s. And I went capitalizing, and I gotta wait on my patience, bro. Because, like, I've been battling myself, man. I've been asking myself, bro, do I need to wait on patience, or am I being greedy? Like, it's hard because I'm trying to fix the traits to become the profitable and successful trader that I know I can be. But I keep on questioning, like, cause when I feel like, man, when I'm up a certain amount of money, I be like, bro, I start to feel like, man, am I being greedy, or should I just let the trade play out? Like, if you guys been feeling like that, man, like, what, comment y'all insights down below, man. Am I tripping, bro? But I see that, man. I just like some insights. I'm gonna put a trader, y'all, a well-known trader that's been out there trading longer than me, man. Like, I sat there and watched Alex G. If y'all watch Alex G, I sat there and watched that man go through a losing streak, but then he bounced back. So I was questioning myself, like, man, do he feel that way? Like, bro, cause he said he lost like 10 trades in a row. Same me. Like, I feel like I'm staying disciplined and I'm losing all these trades in a row. Like, bro, is it me? Like, do I need to learn more? That's why you get to question yourself. That's why you get in that loop. Like, bro, do I need to change my strategy? Cause I'm not gonna lie, man, I've been questioning the strategy a lot, bro. I'm like, dang, do I need to ditch supply and demand? Because obviously it haven't been working, man. It haven't been working. It's like supply and demand haven't been hitting as much as it's supposed to be hitting, bro. For me, at least. Because I can get in the setup, man. It can have great rejection for the zone, get a break of the count, and come back and fake me out. It just been constant liquidity grabs, constant liquidity sweeps. Like, gold, for instance, man, gold been tearing me loose. Leave me alone, Gold. Please, leave me alone. What did I do to you, Gold? What did I ever do to deserve the things that Gold has been doing to me? What have I done? What I do? I ain't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. Why? What I do? Gold been tearing me up. And then, bro, like, Dad been whipping me loose too, man. What's going on, man? What did I do? What did I do? I'm just a chill guy trying to come in here and give me a 1 or 2 rich reward. But no. As soon as you get in this trade, we going the other way. It's like market structure is not. Hold on. Remember, guys, this raw and uncut, uncircumcised and unprotected. I ain't editing none of this out. But market structure has not been holding up, man. Like, what's going on? Everything been disrespected. The charts can look bullish and then it fall. The charts can look bearish and then it explode up. Like, every time frame can be bearish, and then as soon as you get in the trade, the price going up 15%. Is we bearish or is we bullish or not? What type of market is this? What am I trading? What am I trading, bro? What do I do? At this point, I'm just gonna get in the opposite way of what I get in the trade in, because that's been winning. If I'm thinking buy, I'm finna go short. Literally. I'm literally finna get on my practice account and I'm finna test it. Because at this point, like, bruh, the opposite of my bias, that's been away. Market structure is not been doing what it's supposed to do lately. Market structure has not been getting respected, bro. I'm violated. I'm being violated. I truly am, man. I'm tired of being violated. I didn't do nothing to deserve this, man. Y'all can't tell me y'all, if y'all trade supply and demand, y'all can't tell me y'all ain't been getting violated. I do not care. And this how I know. This how I know some of y'all been getting violated. Because a lot of traders that I've been watching that trade supply and demand, watch out, little man. I ain't trying to hit you. Get in the road. You trying to eat that popsicle. A lot of traders that I know been trading supply and demand, bro. They ain't been posting no video. Why y'all ain't been posting no video? I ain't been hearing the people that I've been watching trade supply and demand, bro. I ain't been seeing no videos in about 2-3 weeks about them winning and hitting trades. I know, so I know I can't be the only one, man. I've been getting ripped apart, bro. Ripped apart. It'll make you cry when it's good, baby. It'll make you cry. Man, I don't know, man. I gotta stick to it though, man. I ain't no hoe, man. I gotta stick to it, bro. I gotta stick to it. I can't go out like that. Like, bro, cause I know it worked. I know it worked, bro. I know it worked. I know I'm just going on a tangent now, but this how I've been feeling. This how I've been feeling a year in trading. This how I've been feeling, man. I've been getting violated, molested by the charts. I don't know what's been going on, man. Help me, please. But this is the end of this video, bro. Is the problem, man, been molesting you too, bro? Like, absolute cooking, man. Comment below, man. Because if y'all have been winning supply and demand, what pairs are you trading, bro? What pairs? Because New York session been cooked. New York session has been cooked. I've been thinking about trading outside of New York session because them trades been going through. Like 7 o'clock. London session and Asian session been hidden. What's going on with London and Asian session? It's like all the moves are going on in Asian and London session. New York session has been producing garbage. Y'all told me that's supposed to be the best session to trade. Where? What New York? Not of United States, not the 50 states. Not where I'm staying, not this New York. York, New City, York, New Shire. Asian, Thailand, Tokyo, wherever they trading at, London, UK. That's where the money at lately. Price almost went up almost 2,000 points yesterday in London in the Asia session. How can I expect New York session to produce good price action when y'all already done went up 15 million% overnight and done made $5 billion? What? Stop lying, man. Like New York session, the only good session to trade, man. They capping, bro. Asian and London session been hidden. Arguably, Asian and London session been the best session to trade since Trump got in office. Man, but this ain't no cry for help video, man. But I don't know, bro. This how I've been feeling a year in trading, bro. And I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Y'all need realness. I've been getting spanked. I've been getting whooped, bro. I've been getting told loose. Man, I feel like I done got my neck slapped. I don't know. But I'm finna get ready to go. I've been just looping around this neighborhood. My car got 5% tint. They just know I'm trying to bend the cone on somebody. So I'm finna get out this neighborhood, man. I gotta go pick my son up from daycare. But I'm in Jacksonville too. You can't play. I'm finna go and try to get my son, man. But that's just how I've been feeling, man. Y'all let me know, comment below. If y'all been feeling this way, man, this just entertainment purposes, bro. But it's also the realistic journey. So it's your boy 3-Way Trades, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Get at your boy, man. Get at your boy. Y'all, I just picked up your nephew. Say what's up, vlog. Say what's up, vlog. He said, Cora, the market's been manipulative in me. Say it. The market's been manipulative in me. Say it. They been manipulative in me. The market's been manipulative in you. Man, they been manipulative in me too, cause I'm trying to make the money. But oh my God.